Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Claudia. I'm so happy to see you here. So I know that by the title and the thumbnail, you already know what we're doing. But before we get started, I just wanted to tell you a little backstory. By the way, please ignore the empty background. Please just ignore it. Okay? Yeah, good. Okay. So I am not a professional belly dancer, not like at all. But I've been obsessed with Shakira, since I was very little, like maybe 3. Actually, I went to her concert like 2 years ago and I was sobbing the whole time. So yeah, I've been super obsessed with her my entire life. I've always wanted to be like her, sing like her, dance like her. She's just like my #1 idol. Since I was like maybe 3 or 4, I've been teaching myself how to dance like her, and I think I did a pretty good job because I got it down pretty well. So today I just wanted to break it down for you guys and teach you how I do it personally. Might not be like the official way to belly dance, but it's definitely gonna get your hips moving, and hopefully you will learn something new that you didn't know before you watch this video. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do it, just keep on watching. Oh my god, look at my hair in the sunlight. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Anyways. Oh yeah, look at this super cute skirt that I got the other day. I love sparkly things, so this gets my heart rate going. Okay, so before we get started, I would recommend you stretch. You do like a bunch of different movements. I'm not gonna add any stretches to this video, but you should definitely stretch like to the sides and stuff so you don't hurt yourself. In this video, I'm only gonna focus on the main movement that everyone wants to learn, but if you want me to make more videos, please let me know down below and I can definitely do that for you. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this movement is actually very easy. You just have to practice a lot because it might not come naturally the first time. So just make sure you practice and you will get it, trust me. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is lift myself up a little bit from the ground and bend my knees a little bit. This will make the motion a little bit smoother. So what you want to do, and the first thing you need to practice a lot, is moving one of your hips just up. So it's just very simple, like just keep doing that and do the same with the other side. Once you're good with that, just lift up your hip and move it to the side. You can also move your torso to the opposite side so it looks a little bit more dramatic. So you go up and then move it to the side and then you drop. Okay, so now that we're done with this side, we're gonna do the same with this side. So get off the floor. Actually, you should always be on the ball of your feet. So just lift, move, down. And once you get to here, it's just gonna be super easy to just go back to this side because you're already like on an incline kind of, so you can just lift this up, move it down. I really hope that's making sense. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it right, but you can see it, so hopefully you can follow along. So let's just do it once all together. So knees bent, you're gonna lift, move, down, lift, move, down. But make sure you do it slowly first until you get used to it. Just practice a lot and then you're gonna be able to do it faster. Oh yeah, you can also add little movements like this and like this, but that's if you want to. I really hope you're doing it with me right now. If you're not, please get up and try it with me. So, knees bent, up, side, down, up, side, down, up, side, down. You can also add some hand movements, but right now we're only gonna focus on the hips. So one more time for the people in the back. So up, side, down, up, side, down. But yeah, isn't this skirt just so cute? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new from it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!